This last one's going to be a little bit longer, but basically it kind of encapsulates everything that we have done in the past two videos. So to create a circle tangent to obtuse angle, or in a right angle, or in a acute angle, we have to construct these lines that are parallel. So if you notice, the last construction was to construct a line parallel here. Basically, we're going to do that twice. The intersection point is going to be the center. So the intersection of the parallel lines is going to be the center, and then we're going to just create it with radius r. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick some point O here and construct that perpendicular. So O is going to go in the middle, and then I'll have A right here. Draw that circle. Great. And then we're going to construct across. So I take this, go through the center, just like that, and we'll call this point K. And then I'm going to extend it up. So again, remember, I have the center there, and I extend up. I'm going to take that radius R, and still similar to the last one, take that radius R and use rhombus method. So I'm going to take this, you can't see, I'm here, and then here. Great. And then I'm just going to connect those through and draw that line. I'm not going to draw it too far, but I'll draw it far enough. So again, I've constructed that parallel line there. And then I'm going to go through the other side quickly, but it's the same exact thing. Pick some point, we'll call it M. Construct that perpendicular. This one might be a little bit smaller on purpose. And you can pick out the point as far as you want to where you're comfortable with it. Some are easier to do than others, but there is my circle. Again, remember I'm connecting across, so I'm going to connect through here and then connect up. Again, we're keeping that radius R. Take radius R here, copy it, and then rhombus method. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure this is right. Great. And connect through. And then there is the center. We'll call it D. And then now with center D, I'm just going to take radius R. Now, if it's off, notice I was a little bit off here. My construction was a little bit off over there, but just be really careful with that. If you are off my line, if you notice it's a little bit above, I'd probably go back and fix that. So my center's a little bit higher, which would adjust for this. But again, same thing. It would be the same thing